A plume of white smoke splits into two fiery trails against a clear sky, revealing the shocking human error that doomed a mission and forever changed spaceflight, culminating in the most infamous disaster of all. Technicians walk across a dark launch pad service structure. On March 19, 1981, they entered a compartment near the Space Shuttle Columbia's engine bay, unaware it was filled with pure nitrogen. Two men, John Bjornstad and Forrest Cole, collapsed and died from asphyxiation just weeks before the shuttle's historic first flight. This ground tragedy was a grim warning before an orbiter even left the ground, but it paled in comparison to the dangers faced once in the air. A bright orange flame licks from an engine nozzle at liftoff. 5 seconds into its 1999 launch, Columbia's computers detected an electrical short that disabled the primary controllers for 2 of its 3 main engines. At the same time, a loose pin from one engine broke free and ruptured a hydrogen coolant line, causing a serious leak. The crew survived by sheer luck, but it was another lesson that a tiny failure could cascade into total catastrophe. Alarms blare inside a vibrating cockpit 5 minutes after launch. In 1985, a faulty sensor on Space Shuttle Challenger caused a main engine to shut down prematurely over the Atlantic Ocean. The crew was forced to perform a dangerous abort to orbit, a maneuver that left them in a lower, unstable trajectory. They were just one more engine failure away from an impossible attempt to ditch the 100-ton glider in the ocean. A streak of white plasma breaks apart high in the blue Texas sky. On February 1, 2003, the Space Shuttle Columbia disintegrated during re-entry, killing all 7 astronauts on board. The disaster was initiated 16 days earlier during launch, when a piece of insulating foam from the external tank broke off and struck the orbiter's left wing. This impact breached the thermal protection system, allowing superheated gas to rip the shuttle apart upon its return. An unnatural puff of black smoke appears on the side of a solid rocket booster. Just 73 seconds into its flight on January 28, 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger broke apart, killing all 7 crew members live on television. The catastrophe was caused by the failure of an O-ring seal in the right solid rocket booster, which became brittle in the cold launch day temperatures. Engineers had warned management of this exact risk, but their concerns were tragically overruled. These events are solemn reminders of the immense risks and human costs of pushing the boundaries of exploration. Let us know which moment in the shuttle's complex history was most surprising to you.